Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective, as it is indicated by the word interrogative, that means that pronoun and adjective in this topic are used for asking questions, as it is written below. In function, both are used for asking questions. Now we have got it that both are used for asking questions. Then we have to find out what is the difference between the two. We have to figure out the difference between the two. Figure out means to find out what is the difference. Interrogative pronoun. First we will discuss interrogative pronouns. कि interrogative pronouns क्या होते हैं? Interrogative pronouns are which, what, who, which, what, who, whose, whom. ये सारे words जिनको हम interrogative pronouns के तौर पे जानते हैं, ये हम इनको क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो ये किस तरह से दिखते हैं? आप एग्जाम्पल्स को देखिए. लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स. What is your name? In this sentence, what is being used for asking question? What is your name? तो इसका ये मतलब है कि what जो है वो name के लिए यूज किया जा रहा है, noun के लिए. name which is noun. तो what जो है, जो कि interrogative pronoun है, it is being used for name. Look at the next example. Which is the best car? In the second sentence, which interrogative pronoun को हम again noun के लिए यूज करें. which is the best car? तो इसका मतलब है कि आप which को कार के लिए, किसी कार के लिए यूज कर रहे हैं. which is the best car? Now look at the next sentence. Who broke your pen? Who means something. कोई इंसान है जिसने आपके पेन को तोड़ा है. Who broke your pen? So who means somebody, someone. Who did this act? Whose is this? Now look at this next sentence. Whose is this? Whose means that there is something. For example, I've got this pen in my hand and I can ask my class, whose is this? That means I'm asking कि ये जो मैंने हाथ में मार्कर पकड़ा हुआ है, ये किसका है? तो अगेन whose को हम यूज कर रहे हैं एक नाउन के लिए. Dear students, अब हम आते हैं interrogative adjective क्या होते हैं. Adjective, as we know, adjective is a word that modifies a noun, जो किसी noun को describe करता है या उसके meaning में add करता है. They are, interrogative adjectives are which, what, whose. Now these are three words which are used as interrogative adjectives. For example, look at the first sentence. What book are you reading? Now, in this sentence, I want to know that there's a book that somebody is reading and I don't know what is the book, what type of book and what is the book about that person is reading. So, I am asking what book are you reading? अब आप देखिए यहां पे मैंने यूज किया what. इसका मतलब है कि मुझे आइडिया नहीं है. आई हैव नो आइडिया कि बहुत सारी किताबें हो सकती हैं जिसमें से कोई एक किताब वो पढ़ रहा है. लेकिन लुक एट इन द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, व्हिच बुक आर यू रीडिंग. तो व्हेन आई यूज व्हिच, दैट मीन्स आई हैव वेग आइडिया. मुझे कुछ आइडिया है कि वो कौन सी किताब पढ़ रहा है. कोई 2-3 बुक्स हैं जिसमें से मुझे कुछ आइडिया है कि शायद वो वाली किताब पढ़ रहा है, उन 2-3 बुक्स में से जिनको मैं जानता हूं. Now, the next example. Whose book are you reading? Whose book? Now, whose again is being used for someone. Whose book are you reading? Now, it describes the book. Whose book? ये book को describe कर रहा है कि the book belongs to who? It means the book belongs to who? Whose book are you reading? Students, I hope you have got some idea the difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Now, before we end the lecture, let's recapitulate. You must remember these 2 points for interrogative pronouns. to remember what is the difference between interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjective. Interrogative pronoun replaces a noun. What does it mean? It means that they are used instead of a noun. They are used instead of a noun or in place of a noun. The second difference is interrogative pronoun is followed by a verb. Interrogative pronoun के बाद हम verb का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Now come on to interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective modifies a noun. Interrogative adjective क्या करता है? Noun को describe करता है. और interrogative adjective is always followed by a noun. Interrogative adjective के बाद क्या आता है? Noun. I hope you are clear about the topic, because you must have noticed that it is not as difficult as it seems to be. If you just pay a little attention to it, you can get it done. Thank you very much.